Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here with Rygin King, Plead My Cause. Rygin King, Plead My Cause. So last year, end of June, going into July, Rygin King got shot up in his car. He was traveling in the car with a young lady and somebody else, I think. The young lady, unfortunately, lost her life, but he survived. Fortunately, he survived. So, he's still here with us. Big up yourself, One King, Trap King, dance about this thing. So, Plead My Cause, I believe Plead My Cause is something to do with that because I see him post it on him Instagram. There's a clip. So, he's not back to his full health yet. So, speedy recovery, One King, speedy recovery, my fam. So we're gonna jump in and I want to see what the G has said. This could be a bit sad. I don't know what I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna just take it in and see what I go on. Let's go. Sunday, 29th of June.
Two other persons were shot in the incident, one fatally.
Father, you say never get a man more than when can be, In my cause, oh God, Cha-cha, you're there with me. Fight against those who fight against me. I'm a fight, man, I know I'm not perfect, but me not deserve this. I don't trust mankind, but trust in the Almighty.
The pain, you can hear the pain in the G's voice. This is the G on the hospital bed, you know. Fortunately, G is not dead. Him still there with me. You have life, my bro. You have life. Yo, this a mash me up already, car. I have a brethren will get gunshot with you and drop out, you know. So I know the struggles, dog. You see me? So let's go.
Hey, what it takes a man to gain the world and end up losing soul. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Remember how I grew. Extol people wicked and I know me know. Them try to kill the artist, now my heart cold. Them want my career for curse, so me can't do it.
Them try to kill the artist, now my heart cool. I have no love in my heart right now because them try to kill me. So right now, I don't know who is behind it, or if I do know who is behind it, I don't know who is behind the person who is behind it. You understand me? I said there's always somebody close to you. I try. You see me? So right now, I'm heart cool. I'm not trust nobody. Is it?
But Jah you bless me, protect me. In my cause, oh God, me know say you're there with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Me know I'm not perfect.
You see this carry them on them chest and them thing there. That from all them operation them. Cause I can't remember how much shot him get, but him get a good amount of shot. So I'm lucky. I'm very lucky to be alive, dog.
But me not deserve this. I don't trust mankind, but trust in the Almighty. I see them try a lot of things, and it could have rest.
I think the video have something to do with what happened to, like, it a paint out what exactly happened, because I think them same carry broke down or something. Somebody drive past and see him, make a call, I return, and fuck we going from that.
I make you feel some put your first. When me remember that day, them still ahead. Searching for happiness, I'm still a search. External, me still a put in the hard work. It might not stay how me want it, but me not curse. My friend, me know you feel like you lose the world, but Jah bless we, to protect we.
Basically, so right now, what he's doing right here, so he might use fame experience, fame pain, to tell you out there where we're going through the same thing. Say, yo, we're still there, so we can do it. You see me? Him feel your pain, because who feels it knows it, and him a go through it right now. So who feels it knows it. So that's what the boss I tell you. So even though him a tell him story, him still a give you hopes if you go through the same thing where him go through or where him a go through. You understand? Treat.
In my cause, oh God, Cha-cha, you're there with me. Fight against those who fight against me. I know I'm not perfect, but me not deserve this.
See, I him them come final. Rygin King them come final because a good amount of man a travel. I think a 3 car a travel. But the car where him a traveling and get shut up, you see me, the girl, like I said, the girl lost her life, which is very unfortunate. The girl lost her life. R.I.P. young lady.
Yeah, man, cause so good, huh? But them not strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me.
Straight.
I know I'm not perfect enough, Father. Yeah, man. I even put my chest in there, you know?
Yo, them they well want him dead, you know, cause after him get moved, after him got the first hospital, some man try enter the hospital and claim to them know him. So there was speculation saying them go back and finish the job, which them never get to the artist. Fortunately, them never get to the artist, cause if them did get to him, them woulda kill him. You see me? Them woulda kill him. So he moved from there, so him got one next hospital now. I'm sure them a try the same thing. So his location was kept a secret for a long while. So whether him found out the hospital now and whether him fly to America, apparently gonna take surgeries on him spine.
My car so God, me know say you're there with me. Fight against those who fight against me. I know I'm not perfect, but me not deserve this. I not trust mankind, I trust then the Almighty.
Don't think him can even walk yet, because since the incident happened, we don't see him walk. If you check the video now, him not walking in the video, I'm sitting down in the church, I pray and I sing. In post picture, but the picture them when post are some old picture. You see me? So he's not back to full health. You see me?
What it takes some bad to get the well and end up losing soul. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Remember I'm a girl, extell people wicked and I know me know. I'm trafficking the artists so me can't. Yeah, man. Extell. The next one, huh?
Now the artist not get up. The song, the video shot and all. Now the artist now walk off. I know the artist not stand up. So apparently him have spinal injuries. I don't know how true that is. Allegedly him have spinal injuries. But like me say, the latest rumors is him gonna America gonna take surgery. So hopefully if that's the case, that go really well and you're back to full health, one king. You see me? But me G, keep fighting, and all the people out there we are fight, keep fighting. You see me? Keep fighting, brother, cause you don't know mankind wicked you fuck. Mankind fuck up, you see me? But this one I'm gonna leave that one, yeah. Me don't have much to say, dog. I straight, me don't have much to say. Me not have much to say about that one. That one is sad. Rygin King, speedy recovery, my fam, and R.I.P. to the young lady who lost her life. Another one day. You see me? So, they are still out. You see?